Have you been an apprentice before? Have you learned work from a very horrible madam before? Where you have to come to work by 6, start sweeping, start mopping, fetching water. Then when you're done with the shop runs, you go back to your madam's house and do some cleanings for her. You are not her housemaid though. You are not her housemaid, but you run errands like a housemaid. You go to market for her. You wash for her. You cook. Hey, you cook. You wash plate. Oh, food you did not eat. You wash the plate. Hey, all because you were learning work. Have you been in that situation before? This is our topic today. We want to trash this thing because it has been happening a lot. If it has not happened to you, it has happened to someone close to me. Right now, you're a tailor. You sew very well. But how about that gist? Because there are people that are afraid of learning this work because of what they had from someone. I want to hear your own gist. Tell us how it was for you. Okay, let's hear from you. I saw this classic girl kneeling down along the main road. This babe, very, very beautiful. I know her very well now. And that is a fine girl. Always on complete makeup, like always looking so, so nice. This girl, Gen Z baddie, always on point. Like, I was so surprised that day. She was kneeling down along the main road. This main road, I'm telling you, is a very, very busy road. This is like a park road where a lot of people pass, a lot of people ply. I was like, what's going on? And a lot of people were very, very curious about how come Ada, fine girl, classy babe, kneeling down along the main road. Now, it didn't happen. We got to find out that her madam gave her punishment. Now, who is her madam? This is someone she's learning work from, a tailoring job. Ever since she started that work, any day she goes to work late, she has to kneel down in front of the shop for as long as the madam deems it fit to release her. And this is not just the only thing. Ada goes to wash for the madam at home. The madam sends her to the market. She takes care of the madam's children. Like, she basically does house chores for this woman, all because she's learning work from her. Now she cannot complain. And the main work she's even learning, they don't even give her attention. She's not required to ask questions. They just teach her once in a while and all those kind of things. She is not allowed to use the table to cut. You always see her cutting on the floor. Like, all those punishments, are they really necessary? Because somebody is learning work from you does not mean you should melt all those kind of punishments to the person. You know, when you're going to learn work, you hear all this advice: be humble, be calm, always run errands for your madam, always do whatever she wants you to do, and all that. But when you get there, you're willing to be humble, yeah? You're willing to do whatever she wants you to do. But then she starts using you. She starts sending you to go and buy go and buy fruits, go and do this, go and do that. And when you make a little mistake, hey, let's not talk about that one. When you mistakenly burn somebody's clothes, you are going to the market to look for that material. Yes, you are going to the market to find, if it's a lace, you're going to the market to look for that exact lace with your own money. With your own money. And if you don't find it, hey, my dear, you're so in trouble. But guess what? When that same madam makes a mistake, maybe while ironing or something, burns the clothes, you will see her being creative. She will create a pocket and cover up the patch. She will create a flower and cover up the patch. That's when you know that she's very, very creative, because that mistake will be covered in a very, very neat way. But then, when that girl that is learning work from her makes a little mistake, why can't we just patch it up with something creative? Why must you send her to the market to start looking for that material with her own money? Someone that is still hustling, still trying to, find her way. And maybe she don't even have that money. You expose her to something rough. So why is it that way in this industry? It's not fair at all. It is not. We are not making it fair for the apprentices. They are humans too. And you, as the teacher, you were once an apprentice. You learned from somewhere, right? Somebody taught you, right? They didn't just you didn't just see yourself knowing how to sew everything. No matter what, you learned something from someone. And this person learning from you, it's possible that the person will be better than you tomorrow. Uh-huh. It's very possible that the person will do much more better than you tomorrow, and you don't know where you find that person tomorrow. You can meet in a fashion show, you can meet somewhere broad, and the person will remember how you treated him or her. So what do you want to be remembered with? It's not fair. Oh. Treat that person like your fellow human being. That person is your fellow tailor. Because the person is learning work from you does not mean that anything can go, that you can treat the person anyhow. No, it's not nice. The person is learning this work from you. Yes, the person should run errands for you, but that should be errands related to what the person is learning. The person can go out to buy a tape for you, to buy thread for you, to run errands around that fashion industry, errands around that business. Not just sending the person to go and wash clothes for you at home, or telling the person to go to market and buy foodstuffs for you, or telling the person to go and fetch water, clean your house for you. It's not nice at all. So that babe, she just had no choice. I believe she felt she had no choice. She was just doing anything just to learn that work, because the madam was just the very best in that area. She was just like the person that knew how to do that work very well. Ada reached out to me to help me talk to my subscribers, to help her make this decision, because the people around her are telling her to continue to be patient with her madam, that she's going to learn this work from her. But do you think she can learn from such person? Do you think she can process things from such environment? Now, if you're a tailor, tell us about the place you learned work. How how was the environment, and how did the person treat you, and how were you able to pick things? Were you able to learn very fast, or was it very difficult for you? So tell us how these things affect the person learning work. Now, do you advise a girl of that caliber to keep on learning from such person? So this video is mainly for this interaction. She will be in the comment section watching and learning from you guys. So let's hear from you. What are your thoughts about this? Alright, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that already. I remain your favorite woman, Queen the Creative. Thanks again for watching, and bye bye for now.